Hey, it's Sarah from the Dainty Pear.
This right here is Moo. She's a sweet little thing. She is a Dexter Jersey mix. Then we have Obi. Hi, buddy. He is so friendly. When we have friends come over, he will follow them around. He will just be all up in their grill trying to be pet because he is super social.
I'm out of breath. All the animals have been fed now. I just need to go fill their water and I think we're good. This is a workout, okay? For a girl that does not like to work out. Gang's all here and I'm gonna go fill up their water now. Okay, now it's water time. I am so grateful when the sun is out because when that water is frozen, it's so hard and it is so frustrating. We had a different heated water bucket and the heating mechanism on it burned a hole through the bottom. So we're using one that's not heated right now. I'm grateful it's warming up, but we do need to get another heated one because here in our climate, you never know when it's gonna get super cold again. Okay, we can't forget the goats. Hi guys, this is oatmeal and hot dog. Let the goats out. Who, me. I let the freaking goats out because they are tricky. I didn't mean to, but I was giving them water and they escaped. All right, I think that's all I have for today. I'm breathing so hard, sorry. Well, I'm gonna try and do this more often. You guys said you wanted it, so here it is. Farm vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day and I'll talk to you later.